Welcome, Clicked Up TV. Before I begin, won't y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, come on back, because I will be bringing the news of all type of subjects relating to science and technology. Today, I bring you a multi-million-dollar company is being threatened by the military. And which company I am talking about? It's 3M. Yes, 3M. Multi-million-dollar threat due to some faulty manufactured earplugs they've been providing to the military. Now, originally, an earplug designer company that went by the name of Aero Technologies had the responsibility to be the #1 supplier of the military for their massive earplug demand back in the late 1990s. Now, you know, with all the guns, the choppers, the cannons, the jets, the high noise level from grenades and sirens, military men and women, they need protection of the ears. And with Aero Technology being in the leading technology of earplug manufacturing, the military did reach out. Now, the earplug business was booming. Just imagine you're the supplier and your main customer is the military. Ching ching, bling bling. Checks is rolling in and they ain't never bouncing. Messing with the military, the government, Uncle Sam, no. But for some reason, the money must have not been great, must have dried up, as the company called Aero Technologies sold their company, including the plug on the earplugs. They sold everything, to a multi-million-dollar company by the name of 3M. Now, there must be a good reason why Aero Technology wanted to get out of the earplug distribution market game, and for whatever reason, or nowadays, for whatever secret, they kept it to themselves, made a hefty profit, and ran for the hills, living large. Now, on the other hand, while 3M took this investment to buy them out to double or even triple their profits, but you know, it's hard to say if 3M actually used the same ingredients. You know, you had the plug, but did you use the same ingredient? Or I might say the same material as the company whom originated the earplugs? Or if 3M kept the look but changed the quality of the material? Who knows? Because since a few years after their ownership, they've been hit with a multi-billion-dollar threat to the company by former as well as active military members. There's thousands upon thousands of cases. One, and 3M has many more to fight. Approximately 280,000 cases to fight. Now, this has Wall Street worried about what's going to happen. What's in stake for 3M? This could be a total loss, tallying up to $53 billion. Their revenue just wiped by lawsuits. Now, the only weapon 3M has to fight this case and possibly not pay out every single claim is researching to the government contractor defense. Now, in court, don't get me wrong, this is a powerful tool, only if they're able to use this defense shield. You know, if they're able to use it, then their company is protected from the tort liability for defects in products designed and developed for the federal government. But this whole lawsuit is basically based on 3M deliberately as well as knowingly manufacturing defective earplugs. So they better have a good lawyer on their team. The military now is not backing up each individual person that's in court fighting in regards to this lawsuit. You know, they got a blind eye at this. You know, they letting the military workers handle this individually. You know, it'd be too much politics getting involved if the military was actually suing 3M, but it's the military workers, active and some that has retired, you know, veterans. But, you know, they still in court. It's an uphill fight, but we're gonna see the end result. Another billion-dollar company, another trillion-dollar company getting swept off their feet. It has Wall Street shaking right now in their boots. So tune in, people. There's going to be more news, more speculations, more money being lost. And in this case, it's the little people that's winning. The people that was on the front line fighting wars or going through training. It's all sorts of ways you can lose your hearing. And earplugs is supposed to be a way to protect your hearing from so much decimals being surrounded daily. You know, our ears can only take so much amount of decimals. And as we get old, our hearing is not as good as it was when we was much younger. So take care of your self, people. Take care of your ears. Get them checked out. I don't know when the last time I had my ears actually checked out, but I hear pretty damn good. So make sure you're up to par with your hearing. I'm out.